beef Gola Kabab, 2 onion and 1-inch ginger. Chop well. Add 400 grams of beef mince. Mix spices ½ teaspoon. Cumin 1 teaspoon. Homemade kebab masala. Fresh cream. Chop well. Take a seek. Wet your hands. Make small balls on seek or barbecue sticks. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. Heat it a bit on stove. Fry mince balls on low to medium flame. Onion rings. Homemade chili sauce. Mince balls. Dish it out. What a taste! Watch quickly, cook properly, eat healthy.